back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So you guys, I had to bring her back out. If you've been watching me, you probably would already seen it. That I had this unit already, but I had to recreate her, do something different. I wasn't ready to throw her away. So yeah, and I decided to put like some waves in her. If you want to see how to do that with a synthetic wig, go ahead and continue watching this video. Guys, I know I look crazy. Yes, I look crazy. But anyway, so the only thing that you will need to get these waves is probably like a little brush and some black rubber bands. And what you want to do is you want to detangle it, or every piece that you pull. I'm gonna still recomb it. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna take a piece, and I got my boiling water boiling. You make sure you have your water boiling. And guys, see, I did this side already and put the rubber bands at the end. So yeah, I'm just going to be braiding. I mean, and the bigger, I mean, they last longer when the smaller they are. So I'm doing kind of medium. You can do them bigger than this, whatever you prefer. You guys, yeah, so that's all I'm gonna be doing is braiding it down. Guys, this is the finished look, not look, I mean this is the finished result of preparing for the crinkles. So simple. So girl, if you got just an old synthetic wig sitting up in your in your closet or whatever. Y'all don't mind this ain't on right, but yeah, and just try this method. Get your use of out of the wig. So, and this is the result. This is the finishing look. That's why I said don't throw all your synthetic wigs away, because this wig was completely a mess. I just had to bring this wig back because I didn't want to throw it away, because I love the color on this unit. And I would just leave all details down below, and let me know what you guys think. If you like me doing more videos like this where I just transform my wigs, so go ahead and thumbs up this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.